Welcome back for another how-to demonstration. My name is Cody Schwartz, and today we're going to have a couple of part video to show you how to build your custom built computer. Now, over here we have the Antac chassis. It's a mid-tower. It's good for, basic small business home needs. Now for this case, what we're going to do is very simple because there's only just 2 screws on the back. These 2 screws, you screw it, drop it off the top, take the top off, you just pull up the sides just come right off, and then it's the chassis. It's bare bone. This is how I set it up, so I can show you guys how to install the power supply. Now this is pretty simple. We'll just go lay this down on its side.